Hi guys, so I'm making this little video to show you how easy it is to make annotations within a Google Doc. So on the Google Classroom, I have shared this document with you. I've created a copy for every one of you so that you can go ahead and make your notes on it. Basically, this is what it's going to look like on your screen, minus me. But you'll see that I have already gone ahead and made a bunch of annotations. And like I said in the Nearpod video, a lot of these annotations are just references to the poem in general or pointing out specific, like allusions. I also included some links within the text and in my annotations. So check some of those out. Those are specifically for like references that you might want to check out on your own time. But for you, you're going to have to make your own annotations looking for ethos, pathos, and logos. So how do you do that? There are two things that I suggest. Number one, automatically, when you highlight a section, like say you want to highlight this line right here where she says, "We've braved the belly of the beast," and you want to make a note of that as being pathos. You could highlight it, and then you see over right here, this little plus sign pops up. You could just click it, add a comment, and say, "This is an example of pathos because it makes the reader feel a little scared." The belly of the beast, but also hopeful that we will overcome this hardship. Okay, so that's a pretty good example of what I'm looking for when you guys are annotating. I don't want you to just say pathos or this is an example of pathos. I need you to explain your thinking. Why is it an example? What is it doing in the poem? Okay. So once you've done that, you've highlighted it, you hit the plus sign, you typed in what you wanted to type, you can just hit comment and there it is. It pops up. Okay. But in the text, it's going to be yellow, just like all of mine. So your comments might get a little lost, although it'll say your name here, not my name. The other way that you could do this is to first highlight it. So again, we're going to work with this line. We brave the belly of the beast. And you would come up here to this tool. My God, my animals, they're so loud. I'm sorry, guys. You'd come up here to this tool and you can choose a color, whatever color you want. I'll use teal and it will automatically highlight it. Then you can add your comment. This is an example. I'm not going to type out everything I just wrote before because that would take too long, and hit comment. And then you can see that it's a different color than the other parts of it. So you can very clearly see where I have annotated and where you have annotated. And you can do this if you want to do what I like to do, because I like everything color coded. If I'm using teal for pathos, I might use a different color like pink for ethos. Again, I'm not looking for you to just write that. You want to give an example and explain your thinking. Okay, I'm just kind of showing you how to do this. See what I'm saying? And you might use a third color for logos. Again, you're going to come to our highlight tool. Maybe this time you'll pick green. Okay, so now you can see that you have 3 different highlights in different colors, each representing one of the categories. Totally up to you which way you want to do it. If you have a preference, that's fine. I'll be able to see, like I said, your name in this column over here and your comments. But for those of you who are like me and you like things color coded, this is a good way to do it. If you mess up and you want to get rid of it, just hit the check mark and it will go away. In order to take the highlight off, you're going to have to like hit none. So you'll have to drag your cursor over the part, go up to the highlight color and hit none, and it takes it away. So I'm going to do that for all these because you don't need these on your document that I'm going to share with you in 1 second. All right. If you guys run into any problems with this, you can send me a parent square. You can send me an email and let me know. I want to reiterate that this is going to be due on Friday. Okay, so you have a lot of time to work with this. Do not wait to the last minute on Friday at 1 o'clock to send me a message saying you can't figure out how to get to the document. Okay. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week. I'm going to miss you. And I'll see you guys on Monday, hopefully.